Hello friends, we are going to learn about the English grammar today. So let me introduce about myself. I am a teacher from Deonar Colony Municipal Upper Primary English School number 1. So let's start with the English grammar today. Is the types of sentences. We are going to learn the types of sentences in this topic. So types of the sentences. There are 5 types of the sentences, and overall, one by one, we are going to see all the types of sentences. The first type of sentence is assertive or declarative sentences. The second comes interrogative sentences. We'll go to the third one is exclamatory sentences. Fourth one, imperative sentences, and the last one is negative sentences. So all these 5 types of the sentences we are going to learn in this PPT. So let's first type of the sentence, that is assertive or declarative sentences. So what is mean by assertive or declarative sentences? A sentence that says or states something is called assertive sentences. A sentence that says or states something is called assertive sentences. We'll just go for the examples of such a type of the sentences. The examples are given as below. The I study every day. In this sentence, this is explained that I study every day. I do the study every day. So they have stated this statement. So comes under the assertive sentences. We'll go to the second one. Mumbai is a crowded city. The fact is given in this sentence. The Mumbai is a crowded city. So it is a simple sentence. So it also comes under the assertive or declarative sentence. He is an honest boy. The next example is given like that. He is an honest boy. So this is also comes under the assertive or declarative sentences, because these all 3 sentences are explaining or saying something. So are assertive sentences. And one more thing, the assertive or declarative sentences are end with the full stop. If you can see, all these 3 sentences are end with the full stop. So hope you understand the first type of the sentence, that are the assertive or declarative sentences. We'll go to the next one is interrogative sentences. Next one is interrogative sentences. What is mean by interrogative sentences? A sentence that asks question is called interrogative sentences. The question asked by the sentence, that is the interrogative sentence. We'll just go for the examples. See, the 3 examples is given in front of you. What is your name? Are you tired? Why are you late? So all these 3 are the questions. They have asked you something in this question. So the thing is that the sentence asks questions, they are comes under the interrogative sentences. One more thing, if you observe all these 3 sentences, you'll see the big question mark at the end of the sentence. That means the interrogative sentences are always end with the question mark. What students? Question mark. So hope this is very easy to understand to identify the interrogative sentences. Oh, now the third one is imperative sentences. What's the third one? Third one is imperative sentences. What is mean by imperative sentences? The sentence that express a command, a request, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. The sentence which gives the command, request, or advice is called the imperative sentence. Let's see the examples of such a type of the sentences. First example is given over here. Please give me some water. They have used the word please here. So what is this? Is that command? Is that request or an advice? Yes, it's a request. When we use the word please, that means it is a request given to someone else. So please give me some water. It is a request. So it comes under the imperative sentence. We'll go to the next example. It's open the door. Open the door. It is also started with the verb open. That means one more thing is there. The imperative sentences are start with the verb open the door. Then we'll go to the third one. Revise your lessons regularly. Revise. That means it has given the advice by whom? Yes, by the teacher. Revise your lessons regularly. This is an advice given by the teacher. So it is very helpful to understand by these three sentences how to identify the imperative sentence. We'll go to the next one. That is a fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence. What is mean by exclamatory sentences? The sentences that express strong feelings like happiness, joy, sadness, excitement, wonder is called an exclamatory sentences. Sentence that express strong feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Now we'll go for the examples of this. First example they have given, what a lovely day. They have given the explanation of the day in a very wonderful day. That means this sentence shows the day was very lovely. So what a lovely day. They have expressed it is in very much joy. So what a lovely day. We'll go to the next sentence. How kind of you. What a sentence has mentioned someone that you are so kind. So you are very kind of personality. And the third is the what a pity. So if you observe from all these three lessons, all these three sentences, what you understand? These three sentences are expressing with the more feelings like a what a lovely day, how kind of you, what a pity. So all these three sentences are expressions, are the feelings. So it comes under the exclamatory sentences. And one more thing you observe in all these three sentences are that at the end of these sentences you can see exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is the given at the end of this sentence. So it's very easy to identify exclamatory sentence. If your sentence is end with the exclamation mark, that is means your sentence is exclamatory sentence. Hope you are clear with these sentences. So we'll go. The last one is negative sentences. Negative. The word itself gives the meaning of negation. Negative is nothing but the negation. That means the sentences which express a negation. Negation means what? Not, never. This type of the words which comes under the sentences. So that sentence comes under the negative sentences. The word which carry not or never are called negative sentences. Just go for the examples of this now. First example is given. He is not an honest boy. He is not an honest boy. They have said this boy is not honest. We'll go to the next one. We did not like the film. And the third one is given. Sham could not run fast. If we'll observe the thing in this sentence is the not word is in a first sentence also, in a second sentence also, and in third sentence also. So it is very simple to identify the negative sentences. The sentence which comes along with the word not, never, it's no. These word sentences are called negative sentences. Hope you are understanding all this type of the sentences very well. So it is very easy to identify the sentences. We have learned all 5 types of the sentences in this PPT, and I hope you are getting everything with a clear vision. So so much for help. Thank you so much for giving this a valuable time. Thank you.